everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have received a few PR parcels over the last couple of weeks. So as I normally do, I tend to keep them all in a corner of my room, ready to do a video so I can show you what brands send me, because I know a lot of you are interested in seeing what I do receive, but also any new products that have just been released as well. All the brands that are featured in this video, I have not signed a contract to work with them. It's no sponsorship involved. No, if I send you this, can you create lots of content for me? Nothing like that. It's where brands have added me to their PR list and they randomly send things out to me, which is really, really lovely. And oh my gosh, it really appeals to my ADHD because it's like getting Christmas presents all the time. I've got a few to go through. This isn't going to be like a dedicated video going into depth what each product is and where you can buy it and how much it is or whatever. It's just literally just a quick, this is what's out, this is what I've been sent, but I will pop the brands or the websites down below in my description. So if you want to learn a little bit more about anything that you see in these videos, then you're welcome to take a look down there and they'll take you, and you can look that way. And also down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, let's start off then with something for your hair, and this is by Tangle Teaser. Open for the gentlest brushing yet. The packaging is so gorgeous. Look at it. It is so, so lovely. So this is the Extra Gentle Touch Tangle Teaser. Our new unique wide space teeth pattern minimises hair fall and breakage so you can brush with confidence. Fewer teeth at the edges of the brush to minimise tension on hair. And while I'm talking, I'll show you what it looks like. Teeth in the centre are more concentrated, allowing for effortless detangling. That's extra gentle. So 77% experience less hair fall and breakage when using the new extra gentle hairbrush. Oh, I like that, especially as my hair is falling out. Although, no, I'm lying. My hair's not falling out anymore. That's not to say that it could start falling out again. I have got androgenic alopecia and I'm on medication for the last 6-7 months. Yeah, I like this. It's nice. So thank you so much to Tangle Teaser for sending that out to me. I am going to be taking my hair extensions out in October because I'm having cosmetic surgery. If you haven't already seen my video, I'm going to Nord's Aesthetics in Lithuania to have 3 different surgeries, but it's all classed as one. Yeah, so I have to take my extensions out. I've got to take my nails off as well. My hair will be a lot easier to manage while I'm away. One of the surgeries I'm having is having an arm lift, so I won't be able to lift my arms. So I'm just thinking of what is easy to manage. This brush will definitely come in use, definitely, so thank you. Next, I've got a little parcel from Maybelline. They've sent me their new Grippy Serum. Meet Grippy Serum Primer, the serum primer that blends 24-hour long wear with skin-loving ingredients. This makeup primer is ultra blendable with serum to grip technology. A fresh serum texture transforms to a grippy primer for ultimate staying power. Whether you want your makeup to last through a night on the town or just want your fresh look all day, Grippy has your back. Formulated with 2% niacinamide, your skin also gets a loving boost for fresh, plump skin, and it retails for £11.99. I think I've just put too much, haven't I? Just cover all over my hand. No scent. Not that I'd expect it to have a scent anyway. So it's a skincare grippy primer. Yeah, and it says it's available at Superdrug. I'm sure other places sell it. I don't know whether it's exclusive to Superdrug. It doesn't say on there. But no, it feels quite nice actually. It is like sticky, but it does feel quite nice on my hand. So yeah, so thank you, Maybelline. Next, I was kindly sent some perfume by Mugla. Gorgeous colour box. Purple is my favourite colour. But look at this. Look at this. This is so, so lovely. It's Alien Extra Intense. I believe this is quite new, or it's released this year, possibly. Let me have a look. Is introducing the latest innovation from the UK's #1 luxury refillable fragrance brand. Mugla Alien Extra Intense Eau de Parfum. Yeah, it's got to be then, isn't it? So there's Eau de Parfum and there's 60 mils there. I'll get that out and spray it now. But they've also sent me the refill as well. And there's a 100 ml refill here. It's so, so lovely of them. What What does it say then? Let's see. With a floral vanilla signature, Alien Extra Intense morphs Mugler's iconic amethyst fragrance into the most extraordinary of aliens. All right. And it says, once you finish your fragrance, make your unique bottle last endlessly with the refill. Little information here if you're interested in what they actually say as well. These products are provided to you on a complimentary, not for sale basis, and there is of course no obligation on you to review or post about them. Look at the refill. It looks just like a spray. How on earth would you use that? I haven't got a clue. I'm sure I'll be able to find out online. But there. I love the shape of the bottle. It's so nice, isn't it? Oh, that is so nice. What did they say it was again? A floral and vanilla. Extra intense. Yes, a nice smell. It is intense. So it's not something I'd wear during the day before a night out. Then yeah. Thank you so much to Mugler for sending these out to me. It's such a thoughtful gift. Thank you. Next, I've got Medicate. I love, love, love this brand. I absolutely adore it. I wear a lot of their skincare. They sent me their new C Tetra serum, the advanced C Tetra. I wear C Tetra all the time, every single day. Vitamin C, but not as you know it. Turn up the brightness. 20% vitamin C for visibly brighter skin in 7 days. Powered by plant exosomes for 0% barrier disruption. So it's 30 mils there. Clinically proven to visibly brighten skin in just 7 days, C Tetra Advanced delivers high-performance results without compromising the skin's barrier. This next-generation gel serum pairs 20% stabilised vitamin C with barrier-supporting phytoexosomes for unrivaled defence against premature skin aging without compromising the skin barrier. The results are high-performance, skin-resilient vitamin C serum that works smarter, not harsher. 100% of people achieve visibly brighter skin in 7 days. That is really, really exciting because I already use this C Tetra serum anyway. So yeah, thank you so much to Medicate. I have got 2 boxes from Aboran. So the first one I'll show you is a skin therapy box. They always do beautiful packaging. So wake up to radiant skin with this multi-perfecting duo. So I've got the skin therapy serum and skin therapy eye cream as well. But also, I didn't realise this when I had a look at it first of all, but they've also given me, what's it say? It's Skin Hour. No, yeah, it's Skin Hour, a little mask as well. Powered by plant extract, skin therapy, milky serum and eye cream work overnight to hydrate, refresh, smooth fine lines, revealing a healthier, more youthful glow just after one night. I'm going to have to look into it. There's no more information about it really. 17 super ingredients, so it's an overnight duo. So thank you so much to Aboran. And then this is Hello Mirror Skin. Look at this, if you can see it, it's massive. I'm gonna have to hide my head. Hold on a minute. Hopefully you can see there. I've got an oil and a gel. They're both cleansers. And they just look smart as well, don't they? They just look really, really lovely. But no, I'm obsessed with Aboran. But no, Aboran just do the most amazing products. And I love these. They're both 180 mils. They're nice and gentle. They feel lovely on the skin. And yeah, really, really make my skin feel nice and soft and clean afterwards. Then we've got the Skin Hero. Now I'm being 100% honest with you. I haven't used this much. I've received it in PR packages, I think, or unless I've got it in beauty boxes. I don't know too much about it. Like, I know about their face masks, about their BB creams, their CC creams, their water creams, the cleansers, their eye creams, concealers, but the Skin Hero Glow, basically it's a ginseng non-tinted perfector. Bare Skin Perfector Instant Natural Glow illuminates the complexion with light reflecting micropearls, beautifies without colour coverage with a blurring effect on skin, hydrates for plumped looking skin thanks to hyaluronic acid, gives a natural looking luminous finish. I think I just haven't given it enough of a go. And because I tend to always wear makeup on top, that I can't tell a difference possibly. But yeah, if you've tried it, And yeah, please let me know what you think about it. And then I've got the CC eye cream. I've already got this and it's really nice. It's got Ancella Asiatica. It's a Radiance Eye Contour Cream with SPF 20, which is one of the main reasons I got it. I just thought it's brilliant. I use face creams with SPF, so why not eye creams? And it's the lighter one. It's a really nice cream. I do love a tinted cream, just slightly tinted. As with their other creams, their face creams, you can see the colour change in a minute now. So I love the formula. It's really lightweight. It's not going to give you huge coverage, but it does slightly colour correct. It smooths, it hydrates. It just feels really, really nice under the skin. Under your eyes. And I can always apply makeup on top if I want to. Now, part of me is thinking, how do they know I've got an iPhone 15 Pro Max? Because this is to fit an iPhone 15 Pro Max. How do they know? I don't think I've ever mentioned it unless they just sent it out on the hope that everyone's got one. I really like this. It says, own your glow. And it's got Aboran underneath there. Yeah, nice clear phone case. My phone is white, so that'll be perfect with it. Huge thank you to Aboran for sending that out to me. This is a summer ready box from Garnier. And look at this. Oh, it looks all a bit of a mess now. It did look a bit better before. But look, there's such gorgeous products in there. So really nice. So first up, I've got this freestanding little fan, which is so cool, with a little USB charging cable there. It's my favourite micellar water. I love this one. It's for sensitive skins. It feels nice on my skin. I buy it all the time. I tend to buy the massive ones. They last me ages and ages. But yeah, it's nice to have a little travel size one like this. So this might come with me when I go to Lithuania. Oh, this is another one as well. Look. This is SPF 50. It's a spray with vitamin C. There's a lot of vitamin C products in here. So this is a brightening over makeup mist to protect, brighten and anti-dark spot. I love an SPF 50 facial mist. I love them. I tend to apply SPF all over my body, all over my face, and then I top up throughout the day then with sprays. Really happy with that. This is what my daughter wants as well. This is blemish patches. There's 8 here from Garnier Pure Active. Invisible patches, and there's 22. So she'll be having them. I've got a banana hair mask. This is Ultimate Blends with vitamin C, E and F. It's a multi-use mask for dry hair. Oh, it smells really nice. It might be nice actually, now that I've got these extensions in, although they look like a dried, frazzled mess at the minute, because I literally let my hair dry natural yesterday and then I slept in it, so it's all frizzy and puffy. Maybe a mask like this might be really nice. Then I've got a body spray. This is SPF 30, Invisible Protect, High Protection Refreshing Spray. It's clear finish and quick dry and contains aloe vera. So even though 30 is a little bit on the low side for me, I'd still use it, maybe more like in like September, October time, something like that. But yeah, or we can just share it as a family. My husband goes out cycling a lot, so he's always got SPF and stuff in his bag. Then I've shown you before I actually know what it is. What is it? It's a brightening serum, 4% vitamin C and niacinamide with salicylic acid. Clinically proven, 70% of dark spots are reduced. So it's a new formula. So vitamin C serum there. And lastly, we have got a vitamin C daily UV brightening fluid glow. This is SPF 50 plus, moisturize and protect, anti-dark spot and a sheer tint. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I haven't tried this one. Oh, let's give this a go on my hand. Yeah, that feels nice. Not a lot of coverage, but I'll give that a go, see what that is like on my skin. Use in the morning as a moisturiser or on top of your day cream or serum before your makeup routine. It's a brightening SPF, so it'll give me more of a glow than anything and protect me from the sun. So thank you to all the brands that have sent these out to me, and also to you lot as well, because if you weren't supporting me on here, on Instagram, on Facebook and everywhere, then these brands wouldn't know who I was, what I do or anything like that. So yeah, it's mainly down to you, so a huge thank you to you. But yeah, let me know if you've tried any of these products. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.